So, what you're gonna need for this is tape or scotch tape, scissors, string, or especially thin string is gonna be better, and a stack of post-it notes at least this big. You're gonna need at least 16 post-it notes. If you mess up, then you're going to need more than 16 post-it notes, but 16 post-it notes is the minimum. So you can put the string and scissors away. Those are only needed at the end, and you just put the tape to the side also. So we're gonna start off with the post-it notes. Now you're gonna need 2 post-it notes to make 1 cube, and this is what a finished cube looks like. So the finished half cube looks like this. This is what 1 post-it note makes. So then you're just going to need 2 halves, and then what you're going to do is get your tape. Make sure these things are aligned, and then just find 1 piece. Put half the tape on it, like that. And then find the other half, and put that on also. So then just slide the tape, like that, and then just tape the other side. So this is how you make a finished cube. Okay? It's super simple. Now I'm going to show you how to make each half. So let's just take a post-it note, and now first of all you're going to want to fold it in half like a taco. Okay, just fold it in half horizontally. This is like the easiest fold in origami. So yeah, just fold it in half like that. And then just fold it in half the other direction. So it's going to look like a plus sign. I'll show you. So it's going to look like this. Okay? And now what you want to do is, see these corners? You're going to fold them into the middle, or where the 2 lines cross each other. So we're just going to grab this and fold it into the centerpiece, like that. And you're going to do that with each corner. So then we're going to grab this corner and fold it into the middle. Now this project is going to take you maybe like 30 minutes in all. So just be warned. You can do this during like lunch or something at school if you want. It's that kind of project. Or during art class or something if you can. Then I'm just gonna crease this. Okay, so now it looks like this. And then what you want to do is take the bottom half and fold it up to where all the corners met. Fold it up to the middle. I'll show you. Just gonna fold up to that. And then you're gonna do the other side. So it folds up. So now it's gonna look like 2 double doors. Like that, you can open them up. Okay, so now we're gonna unfold that. Twist it 90 degrees, and then do it again. So, just fold it like that to the middle, and fold the other one like that to the middle. Okay? And now when you unfold, it's gonna look like a grid, somewhat. See? Kinda looks like a grid. So now, you see these pieces that stick up, these little triangle pieces? You're gonna find 2 on opposite sides like this, and then you're gonna pull them. So then it's gonna look like this. And now you see below these 2 triangles, or above these triangles, there's these pieces that want to fold in. You're gonna fold those in, like the doors that we just did. So you just fold those into the center, and on the other side, do the exact same. So it folds into the center, like that. And now you see this little fold that I made earlier, and you see this little line where this piece goes down to that piece. You're going to fold it that way up, so it looks like that. Then you're going to unfold and then do the other direction, and then you're going to do the exact same for the other side. So like that. I'll show you. unfold to this side. So now it's going to look like this. And now you see these little door things. You're going to open those up like this. And these little things stick up and connect it like that. You're just going to push these triangle pieces down. So then when you bend these 90 degrees like this, it's going to look like this. And now, do you see these pieces? You just push it there. Do you see how these pieces want to fold in? And when you do push this back, it's going to fold in like an accordion. You're going to do that. So I'll show you. It's going to fold in like the edge of a square. So then just fold this in, and then just push this down and pinch. Okay, just pinch, and it should hold itself in place. And then do the exact same on the other side. I'll show you again. Okay, and then we're done. And I already showed you how to put the two halves together. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you how to put the actual things together. So I'm just going to grab 4 that I already have made. And now this is where the string comes into play. So you're going to get your string and the scissors and just cut off a lot. It's always good to cut off too much string than too little. Okay, this is about enough. So now what you want to do is take 2 boxes and just put them in a grid like this, and then take the other 2 out. So now it looks like this. And now you're going to measure it with a string and leave a tiny bit of string left. So that's about good. I'm going to get the scissors and just cut. Okay, so now if I lay it on there, it's going to look like that. And now you're going to get the tape and then just put it down. Line this corner up. Like that. And now you see these little pieces that are left over. What you're going to do is get a tiny bit extra piece of tape and just push that down like that, and then just put the tape there. So now you do that on the other one. Just push this little piece down. Like that. There. So now it looks like that. And then you're just going to do that with the 2 other ones. And you're going to do this thing twice. I'll show you the other completed one. It's going to end up looking like that. So you have this. Let's put these 2 diagonally like that. Get our string. And then put them there. And now we're gonna get our tape. Tape that. Then tape this one. Now the reason why you leave a tiny bit of string left is because otherwise the string falls off super easily. Okay? And you can always add extra tape just to be safe, but I'm not going to. And now you're just going to get the extra tape and then just tape this extra piece down. Now you don't have to have that extra piece of string, but I found that it helps a tremendous amount. It breaks like 5 times or less frequently, or just it takes 5 times longer to break if you add an extra piece of tape, extra piece of string. So yeah, that's why you should always make sure to have this extra piece. Okay, so now the last one. Just gonna take this down. Flatten it out. Okay, so now this is how you put these two together. See, we can put these two diagonally. And what you want to do is take these other two and put them diagonally the other way. So just down like this. Okay, now this is how to actually put the two together. This is the best part. So, you can grab the other side that you made and flip it upside down. Flip it upside down. And just put it on top like that. Okay? And now, just twist it once like this. And twist it once the other way. Okay, so now it's not going to look the best because I didn't take my time with it, but if you make every single thing straight, it's going to look better. So yeah, then you can just twist it. Yeah, so that's how to make the thing. If you want, you can color each one so it's actually like a color-coded real Rubik's Cube, but you don't need to. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.